Hi class, this video is going to be on simplifying rational expressions, and the problem we're going to do is going to be 8x cubed minus 12x squared plus 6x minus 9 over 16x to the 4 minus 9. And the first thing I'm going to do is notice that I cannot factor anything from the numerator and I can't factor anything from the denominator. So that leaves me with trying to figure out how I'm going to factor it. So in the top, I notice that I can do factor by grouping. So I'm going to look at these two and these two together. And then I'm also going to note that in the denominator, this is actually the same thing as 4x squared minus 3 squared. And let's actually now write all of this down. So this is going to give us 8x cubed minus 12x squared plus 6x minus 9 all over 4x squared minus 3 squared. So I actually have not done any simplifying at this step. All I have done is rewrite my information. So now factoring from the first group in the numerator, it looks like I can factor out of 4x squared, leaving me with 2x minus 3. And from the second group, I can factor out of 3, leaving me with 2x minus 3. And the denominator is a difference of squares, which means I can write this as 4x squared plus 3 times 4x squared minus 3. From the numerator, I can now factor a 2x minus 3. And from the first term, I'm left with the 4x squared. And from the second, I'm left with the 3. And in the denominator, I still have 4x squared plus 3 times 4x squared minus 3. And now I see that I can cancel the 4x squared plus 3 and the 4x squared plus 3, leaving my final answer as 2x minus 3 over 4x squared minus 3. There's nothing else I can factor. As tempting as it may be, I cannot cancel those 3's and I cannot cancel the 2 with the 4. I am now done.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.